Let's talk about something that you almost definitely have sitting in your kitchen pantry right now: coconut oil. We hear the term superfood all the time, right? But what if I told you that for this oil, that label doesn't even begin to scratch the surface? I mean, really, is superfood the whole story? Does that one little word even come close to covering the centuries of traditional wisdom that are packed into every single jar? The answer, as you're about to see, is a huge no. So in this explainer, we're going to go way beyond the kitchen. We're going to uncover the powerful traditional secrets that have made coconut oil a true cornerstone of wellness for ages. You ready to dive in? Let's do it. Okay, first things first. Before we get to all the amazing things it can do on the outside of your body, we have to understand how it fuels you from the inside out. Because really, this is the key to unlocking everything else. So what's the deal? Well, it's all about what it's made of. Coconut oil is packed with something called medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs for short. Now, think of these as a special kind of fat. Instead of being stored, your body can grab them and use them for quick, clean energy. It's like high-octane fuel for both your body and your brain, which is why it's such a fantastic oil to cook with. And now, let's talk about the real secret weapon inside coconut oil: lauric acid. This stuff is a total powerhouse. It's a fatty acid that has antimicrobial, antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. It's basically a natural protective shield, and this is the key to so many of its most amazing benefits. So definitely keep lauric acid in mind as we go. So, how do you get these benefits? Well, the easiest way is to just swap it in for butter or other oils when you're cooking or baking. Simple. But here's a really cool traditional trick. Try mixing 1 tablespoon into some warm water and drinking it before a meal. It's a really gentle way to get your digestive system going and help prevent constipation. Okay, now that we know what makes it so powerful on the inside, let's explore what it can do for you on the outside. And this, right here, is where the traditional miracles of coconut oil really start to shine. And just to be clear, this is nothing new. We're not talking about some new fad. For generations, coconut oil has been the absolute go-to for taking care of skin and hair. This quote really shows you just how deep these traditions run. So why is it so good for, say, healing a minor cut? Well, it's that secret weapon again, right? Lauric acid. Its antimicrobial powers create this clean, protective little barrier over the wound, which helps it heal faster and seriously lowers the risk of infection. And you can even make your own simple healing balm right at home. It's so easy. Just mix equal parts coconut oil and aloe vera juice. Then all you do is apply a thin layer to the spot a couple of times a day. It's an awesome, all-natural approach to everyday first aid. Now, let's talk skin. What makes coconut oil such an incredible moisturizer? It's all about its ability to get in deep. You know how some lotions feel like they're just sitting on the surface? Well, coconut oil can actually penetrate the skin and lock in moisture from the inside out. We're talking deeper, longer-lasting hydration here. Plus, it's got anti-inflammatory properties that can help calm down any redness or irritation. And for your hair, it's a really similar story. The molecules in coconut oil are just so small that they can wiggle their way right inside the hair shaft itself. And what does that mean? It means it can stop protein loss from the inside, which makes your hair not just shinier on the outside, but genuinely stronger and healthier. So what's the best way to do it? For your skin, the pro move is to apply it right after you get out of the shower, while your skin is still a bit damp. That really seals in the moisture. Just, give it 5 minutes or so to soak in before you get dressed. For your hair, it's an amazing pre-wash treatment. Just massage it all in, from your scalp to the ends, let it sit for at least a half hour, and then just shampoo it out like normal. All right, so from cooking and healing to skin and hair, this oil is already a total all-star. But wait, there's more. We have to talk about one more traditional use, and it's this really fascinating and maybe kind of surprising ancient cleansing ritual. So let me just ask you, have you ever heard of oil pulling? It's a practice that might sound a little strange when you first hear about it, but trust me, it has some seriously deep roots in traditional medicine. The whole idea is pretty simple, but it's also really powerful. You swish oil around in your mouth, and it literally pulls out bacteria and other gunk from between your teeth and gums. And guess who the hero of this story is? Yup, our old friend, lauric acid. Its antimicrobial properties go to work, reducing the bad bacteria that cause things like bad breath and plaque. Now, I gotta say, this isn't some quick 30-second rinse. Nope. For the full traditional effect, You want to keep swishing for about 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah, 20 minutes. It's a real commitment, but it's for a truly deep clean. And here's exactly how you do it. It's best to do it first thing in the morning, even before you drink water. You take about a tablespoon of coconut oil and just start swishing it around your mouth. Try to hit that 15 or 20-minute mark. And then, this is the most important part, you spit it out into the trash, not the sink. Do not swallow it. I mean, think about it. It's now full of all the toxins and bacteria you just pulled out. Then you just give your mouth a good rinse with warm water. So, as we start to wrap this up, it's pretty clear, right? This humble jar of oils in your pantry is so much more than just for cooking. It's a legitimate, versatile, all-in-one wellness tool. I mean, let's just recap the list, because it's pretty wild. Coconut oil is a quick energy cooking oil, a digestive aid, a natural wound healer, a deep skin moisturizer, a strengthening hair treatment, a powerful oral detoxifier. Oh, and as a little bonus, it works great as a gentle makeup remover too. It's incredible for just one single ingredient, isn't it? So we have officially moved way beyond that simple label of superfood. We've seen that coconut oil is a true multi-purpose wellness tool, and it's backed by both modern science and, more importantly, centuries of tradition. And that kind of leaves us with one final thought. It really makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other natural wonders, with their own incredible, secret benefits, are hiding in plain sight, right there in our own homes?